Hey there, fellow deal hunters. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your online shopping smoother. Today, we're tackling how to find saved items on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. With Facebook's constant updates, navigating the platform can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at retrieving those items you've saved for later. First off, why bother with saved items? In 2025, Facebook Marketplace has gotten even smarter with AI-driven recommendations and a revamped interface, making it easier to track potential buys without losing them in the shuffle. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Facebook app or head to the website on your browser. Make sure you're logged in. Nothing happens without that. Once you're in, look for the Marketplace icon, usually a shop tag at the bottom of the app or in the left menu on desktop. Tap or click it to enter Marketplace. Step 2. In the Marketplace homepage, scroll down or use the search bar if you know what you're looking for. But for saved items, head to your profile section. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Saved from the menu. In 2025, Facebook has added a dedicated My Lists tab under Marketplace for better organization. It's a game changer. Step 3. Once you're in the Saved or My Lists section, you'll see all your bookmarked items neatly categorized. You can filter by date saved, price, or even location thanks to the new geo-tagging feature. Pro tip: if an item is no longer available, Facebook's 2025 updates will notify you automatically, so you won't waste time on dead ends. Step 4. To view details, just tap on an item. You can message the seller directly from there or remove it from your saved list if you've changed your mind. Remember, keeping your saved items updated helps you stay on top of great deals without clutter. And there you have it. That's how you effortlessly find your saved items on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. It's all about staying organized in this fast-paced digital world. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.